Alright YouTube, quick fun video here for you.
Sliver gripper.
My little hygiene toolkit. Tweezers, nail clippers, little brush for my Norelco shaver, 2 USB-C to shaving adapters for my 2 Phillips shavers, the multi-groom and then the regular shaver. All this I'll link down below, everything that I use. It's a very minimal, small kit. However, I can't fit my tweezers in this box. So these are some cheapo Revlon basic tweezers, right? They're welded in the back, they're plated, so you can see there's a little bit of rust forming on the tail here. Basic angled ground tip. And they work, don't get me wrong, but I wanted to give these a shot.
Sliver gripper.
Made in USA, they're stainless. I'm trying to convert pretty much everything I have to stainless steel. Easy to use, flat, precision ground points, spring tempered stainless steel. For everything, home, garden, splinters, hygiene, bee stingers, stuff like that, Connecticut. The other cool little feature is that it has a little holding clip and you can even put it on a keychain or a lanyard. This to hopefully this. You can see the size difference. I know it's kind of silly, but I like small and minimal. So these are like 3 inches. And let me open these up here. I do like that they're made in USA. 1 3/4 inch. 1 3/4, the tweezers alone with the little keychain cover. Only like 2 1/4. Yeah, 2 1/4. They're lighter, and I do like the keychain feature. USA, the tweezers with pinpoint precision, Uncle Bill's.
Sliver gripper.
So yeah, they hook into this little hole here. This covers the points, but then it hooks in. You can see there's a tooth. There's a tooth there that hooks into the hole. So you slide them in, and the tooth grabs. And so those are not coming out unless you give it a good squeeze. So like if you've got these on your keychain or something, like, you're good. It's a nice, simple design. Really good design. You know, it's just like one piece of steel that they stamped, then bent up this at a right angle, and then like stamped, punched this out, and just like curl it up. It's really smart. And you can see just how small these are, because you don't need a tweezer that's any longer than this. You know, you just need this action, you know. Let me go to macro, hold on. Yeah, you can see they're like, they have a slight little curl inward and come to a nice point. They're just about the same size as my nail clippers. Everything fits now, and I even have extra room. Very satisfied with the design, very simple, and I love that it's stainless. Hope that gives you a good look. Let me go to macro again. I can grab onto my, one hair just to show you that they work. And they're not so hard to pinch. They're easier on the fingers to pinch, which is nice. So thanks for watching. I'll put links down below. You can get 2-pack of these, I think. Real nifty, nice to throw on the keychain. You never know. Very thin, pretty sweet. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, like, don't like, whatever. Peace.